going now?
Uh,
What was the place that you were asking yesterday?
is it a Wonder World, some games or something?
Do you think Wonderworks is open?
Yeah.
Have you any time been to Wonderworks?
No, I think it's a little game. Like you walk to play games and earn prizes or tickets or toys.
Where is Wonderworks?
I'm not sure. I don't even see a clip on that one.
Okay.
This is definitely not one.
Okay. I think we are lost. We don't know where Wonderworks is. Let's just go back to the room.
Well, I did not know.
Okay. Let's see them.
I want to tell. Oh, the woman.
It's all the women.
Can I see you take a picture?
Okay, tell me where you are. Which city?
We're in Florida.
That's a state. You are in Orlando.
We're in Orlando.
Orlando, yes. Okay.
Cheese.
Okay. Let's go.
This is the photo I did on the boat. Stop winking me. And stop laughing.
What's it on? What is that?
You asked for Wonderworks. It's an upside down building. You want to go inside? I'm falling down. Aishu, you're rolling. Look, you're rolling. You're gonna fall.
It's an earthquake that registers 5.3 on the Richter scale. You will feel a tremor, followed by a series of intense jolts, and finally, the aftershock. This is considered moderate. Get ready, hang on, and prepare for the quake to begin.
This is how the earthquake will feel. What do you do when you get an earthquake?
Run away.
You run outside, yes, and you stand away from the buildings. You stand in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Okay? That's what you should do when there's an earthquake.
Always.
Always, yes.
Even if this is all day.
You have to stand clear of the big tall buildings, okay? Yeah, remember you have seen this? Petra. Yeah. We have seen 5 of them. Sorry, 2 of them. There's 5 more to go, okay? Hey, what is this? I should see here. What is this? Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza, it's in Mexico.
Yeah, I did.
Let's go feel the hurricane. Go. Okay, come with me. Okay. This is an anti-gravity chamber. Okay, go inside. I have no clue what it is. Side of it. This water is going up.
Water pike is ice నుంచి water pike is గ్రావిటీ
మనకేం కాదు చూడాలి.
చేయి పెట్టచ్చా అక్కడ ఓయ్ చేయి పెట్టచ్చా
ఏం చెయ్యి
చేయి పెట్టచ్చా
షాక్ వస్తుంది.
ఏం కాదు
పెట్టండి. You see the water going down now?
రాస్తారు అక్కడ చేయి
వాటర్ కిందకి వెళ్తుంది చూడు ఇప్పుడు.
ఇప్పుడు కిందకి వెళ్తుంది.
Now it is going up. ఇక్కడ నొక్కుతున్నాను నేను.
ఎలా వర్క్
Okay. Don't be scared. Look.
ఏదైనా పెట్టి ఫోన్ పెట్టి
What does it say? Walk past the paintings. Do you see the eyes follow you? See now, we'll walk. Oh. Wait. Hit the ball. Hit them. Hit the flamingo. Touch the blue. Blue,
Blue, keep holding. Your turn, player 4. Press and hold your left hand on. Player 4, put your right foot on the flashing light. Player 2, you're out. You
Player-
didn't hold the spot.
you're out.
Let's continue. Left hand, yellow.
Left hand yellow. Left hand yellow.
Player 1, player 4, you're out. You didn't hold the spot.
I'm out. Player 1, you won. You won. Duko. Duko. Yes. Okay, sorry. Okay, jump. Amama cannot jump. That's okay. That's okay. వెనక్కి రమ్మంటుంది అది. Jump. Jump. I'm gonna jump. See. Yellow.
వచ్చింది
What happened? Oh. పట్టుకో పట్టుకో. Actually, 2 hands. That's it. How much did you get? That's it? You go, కిందకి దిగు. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
అది అరే అరే అరే
Leave it. You leave the rope. You leave the rope. Leave it.
నీ బరువు నువ్వు మోసుకోవాలి అక్కడ
వద్దు. క్లీన్ చేశారు ట్రాష్ అంతా. Whoa! I should got it. Yes. Oh, I should. Wow. Wow. అదో వచ్చింది చూడగా. బో. Wow. Get ready to jump. See this. 3, 2, 1, jump. That's it, done. Okay. Now it's Amma's turn. Nuncho vachi. Okay.
No jump.
No, she can. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, jump. 3, 2, 1, jump. 7 feet 1 inches. నొక్కాలి నొక్కండి అబ్బో నొక్కుంచితే కిందకి వెళ్తుంది వదిలేయంగానే పైకి వస్తుంది అయ్యో డైనోసార్
用吹行嘅嘢，用吹行嘅嘢㗎，用吹行嘅嘢。这个站的好厉害。అడుగున్నాడు చూడు ఎలా వస్తున్నారు చూడు అది బాగానే నా జుట్టు చూడు భయపడతాడు లెఫ్ట్ లో రవి భయపడుతున్నాడు అది బాగా చెప్పాను చేతులు కట్టుకోద్దని ఇదంతా 네, 그냥 건 초로 여기 này con này ngon này thì con này nó cái gì mà tao cái giống hơn tụi nhau hả Em thêm phải cái này là cái này có chữ cái này có chữ How is it, Aishu?
Good. Now that you like the pause, let's do the pause. I did not like the star.
You were scared. No, we both are not scared.
But it was wonderful. You should go on.
No, who shouted more?
Kallu,
No, you should go on. It's so good.
Actually,
I want to go with you.